I'm Babes again with another new recipe. Homemade chocolates. Who doesn't love chocolates? I think we all love chocolates. So let's begin. The ingredients required are icing sugar 1.20 grams, butter 1.80 grams, cocoa powder 1.800 grams, coconut oil, not the regular one, the one we have it, we can cook with coconut oil, that is 5 grams, and milk powder 50 grams. So let us take the icing sugar. Cocoa powder. All the dry powders we need to take together, and milk powder. Sieve it nicely so that there is no lump. Mix it properly. Boil water and put a heat-proof utensil over the water and keep it in steam. Let the water boil. Now put the butter and leave it to melt. Put the coconut oil also into it. And let the butter and coconut oil melt. After the butter has melted, we will slowly put the dry powders into it. Put slowly so that there is no lump. Once the paste is ready, slowly pour it into the mold. Whatever extra is there, you can rub it with a tissue. Once the paste is poured into the mold, give a slight whirl. Refrigerate the chocolate for 1 hour. After refrigerating it for 1 hour, you will take it out and it will be like this. And you can store it for a long time. Keep it inside the fridge. If you like the chocolates, please don't forget to comment below, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.